Ciao guys, welcome to this new episode of Tagliamare. Today I show you the third video on how to make masts and sails. Here I'm showing you how I'm waxing the rope. It's a little bit different from the one you saw in another episode. Here basically I'm using an heating gun. I put the ropes between two pieces of papers and then I heat it up with the gun. It's a far efficient way because it's way easier to remove the excess of wax compared to the other method, which by the way I leave you the link in the top right corner of this video. Here I put a little bit of shellac on the scratch made blocks in order to give a little bit more vibrance to the colors and to protect the wood as well. Now let's see how the rigging is done. I use mainly 2 or 3 knots in order to respect scale proportion. I think there is not much to talk about here, so I just leave you to the video, which is far easier to understand. One specific thing about this block, if you're building the RC version of the Fifie, keep in mind that you shouldn't glue this specific piece. So be very careful also with those pieces, because if you're building the RC version, those pieces should be removed with all the upper parts and part of the deck part, as we saw in the previous videos. So here I created these hooks made of brass in order to be able to remove them and remove all the upper part of the model when needed. At the end of this video, I'll show you all the parts that should be removable in order to access all the electronics inside the model if you're building the RC version of the ship. Here I circled in red all the parts that should be removable. As a general rule, all the parts that touch the deck or the part of the deck that is not coming out when you remove the upper part of the model in order to access the electronics should be removable. So you should use some sort of hook, as I did. That's all for now, guys. Perhaps there'll be another video and a conclusive one. I hope you enjoyed this journey so far. If you have any question about the Fifie, how to build it, or if you have any doubts, please reach out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.